If you're looking for a short Tai Chi flow that you can use every day as part of your daily routine for overall wellness, then this video is going to really help. All right, so we'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen, taking a few deep breaths in and out, whichever way feels good for you, or you can do the belly breath. So as you breathe in, the belly expands, and as you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine. This helps to activate the relaxation response, lowering our blood pressure and our heart rate, allowing us to come into the present moment, turning on our mindfulness. Allows us to really be present, connected. Just letting go of all the worries from the day, coming into the here and now. And then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment, really feel what it's like to hold on. And then let it out with a big sigh. Feel what it's like to let go. The hands can float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bring it into the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi, the life force energy. Breathing in and breathing out. Nice and easy, nice and slow, feeling all the sensations that you can. One more time, sink the chi, grounding the energy. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front to shoulder height, then the arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in like mist rising from the lake, breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain. We call this opening the door, start of the journey. All right, one more time, rising up and softening down. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the fingertips point up. They float all the way up and over and then spiral out and away. Floating down, silk reeling the upward spirals, spiraling the energy throughout the body, increasing the blood flow and circulation. Rising up, softening down, one more time, silk reeling, upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms floating all the way up and over, the fingertips point down, they come down the center and then spiral out and away. Silk reeling downward spirals. So dropping down, melting down, softening, rising up. Still breathing. One more time, silk reeling, downward spirals. And then the arms float out to the sides. The arms float down, the backs of the hands face each other. They float up the midline of the body and drift out to the side, the fountain. Breathing in and breathing out, taking as many breaths as you need. Just keep on breathing. Moving like water, soft but powerful, the fountain. All right, one more time. All right, this time the arms float up in front. They go all the way up and overhead. And then shifting over to one side, the arms float over to the other side. One palm facing up, the other down. And then switching sides, shifting the weight, painting the rainbow. Breathing in, reaching up, breathing out, softening. One more time. This time the arms float all the way down. They circle in front, hugging the tree, taking your time. From here, the arms open wide. The hands float down, palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down with the hips and knees. Then circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming under all the way back up to the heart and down. One more time, open the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. The hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze and let your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile, expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And then if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart. And we can finish with a bow. Thank you all so much. All right, and if you like, you can continue to stand, receiving, or you can have a seat for some healing flute music. We'll play it just a couple minutes. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this session, then please click on this link here to watch the next video, and I'll see you over there.